Hello folks, this is just another update on my DIY koi pond. We have been having an unusual warm weather recently, and especially today, November the 5th, and temperature today is at 20 degrees Celsius, and a lot of leaves falling down from this cherry tree. Yeah, so I have to pick them up once every other days or so. So I'm gonna pick them up today again. But you may be able to see the fish are all at the bottom now. Oh, some of them are coming up on that side there. But I don't feed them anymore because I say this weather is unusual for November, but well, enjoy while it lasts. Yeah, the fish try to come up for some more food, but yeah, I stopped feeding them anymore just to make them get used to and to get into hibernation. Let's go to check the temperature of the water. Alright, so right now the pond water temperature is at 12.1 degrees Celsius, which is good for the fish for now. As you can see, all my equipment are in storage right now over here with my 3 barrels. And yep, not much activities going on these days, and the water is still clear enough that we can see through to the bottom. A little bit dark because of no sunlight, but still clear enough to see the bottom. And you can see those fish are down there. Yeah, they tend to stay at the bottom already. Buffalo is still running over there with the de-icer. Of course, the de-icer is not on yet. Other than that, it's just another update, guys. So enjoy the warm weather for those people who are in Canada, and take care, everyone. See you next time. Bye for now. Oh, I'm trying to scoop up some leaves now.